Hey, so today I want to talk about planter pots and planter boxes. As you can see behind me, we are in the process of building out and designing this outdoor garden space for one of our clients. And it's becoming more and more popular with clients in our area. They decide they want to get healthy gardening, or they don't want vegetables or pesticides and different things like that in their food. And this is one of those options. So as you can see, we have here, this total project is about 11 or 12 planter boxes. They're 3 foot wide by 8 foot long. This particular variety is made out of cedar here. So you can see that they have the brownish color. They'll eventually turn gray because the weathering of them. But we use this particular product, cedar or cypress, over pressure treated. You can do pressure treated, and there's a lot of people out there that do pressure treated. But the thing about pressure treated lumber is over time it leaches out the chemicals that are used to make it pressure treated. Cedar and cypress, both of them are designed to be in the water. They both grow in the water. And so with that allows the contraction and expanding of the wood. And then you're able to use that to your advantage and use them in a planting box situation. This particular setup is we will fill this particular product. We'll do an inner side liner made out of a wheat fabric. And what we do with that is to keep the dirt from coming through the particular sides of the boxes. And then we will backfill and fill it with dirt in there and potting mix and those kind of things. In this particular one, we used an organic sand blend. And so it's sand, ground up grass clippings and a couple of other things, and it'll be all blended together and then put in here. So the homeowner will be able to plant their particular plants in here. This particular one, each of these boxes have a watering system. So we didn't want overhead water so that the water would shoot over the top. We wanted more water on the plants themselves so that we don't have as much waste on the water, but we also don't have to worry about that. And so we're going to put in here some micro sprays that'll cover the plants that are inside of the garden. They'll also allow the homeowner to be able to take that stuff out, set it over there on the ground, and then dig and plant, till, and do whatever they need to do, and then put those micro sprays back in here without having to worry about the pipes and damaging anything. And it allows each of these boxes will have its own shutoff. So each of these boxes can be turned on and off and adjusted for the particular homeowner based on maybe they want this box to water, that box not. And then that gives them the flexibility to be able to do that. So I know it's gardening season. It's right around the corner. Like I said, these are great cedar boxes that are hold up for a long period of time. They'll probably hold up longer than you will want to garden sometimes. But if you need some help with these, we have different styles. We can get different styles. We can have them custom made if you'd like. But again, hopefully this will help your garden.